That's going to be, you can make this for breakfast or for lunch. A green smoothie. Alright, so first thing, I'm gonna add some spinach into the blender. The spinach is very important. Alright. I'm gonna add some ice. And also, I got some protein powder. Which I'm gonna be using. Roughly about a teaspoon. This is some superfood. Chia seed. Another about 2 teaspoons. And another teaspoon of organic honey or normal honey, one with less sugar. It's very important for you to know that. I'm gonna add some ripe banana. Alright. We got some avocado, which you want to use also inside of it. I'm gonna use roughly about 1/4 of an avocado. Not much. See? Beautiful. Don't use a sharp knife, please use a table knife because you don't want to cut yourself. So you scrape out the avocado and you put it straight inside of it like this. Alright, so I'm not going to be using a lot of avocado. Put that one side. I'm going to add a little bit of water, not much, just a little bit, to free up the blender. Now we're going to take it to the blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. Alright, and as you can see, the whole thing looking so amazing, guys, honestly. So yeah, now what we're going to do is take it to the blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice. What we're going to do is taste it to see what's the difference. All right. To be honest, it's looking amazing. Really, really nice. And as you can see, it's thick and nice. All right. Let's share it up. Nice one. So basically, I'm just making this to bring to work with me. And I just pour it into another blend, into another container like this. And I'm just gonna bring this to work with me. All right, beautiful one. That's it. Look at that. Amazing. Very nice to drink in the morning for breakfast. Healthy green smoothie recipe from Chef Ricardo. And as you can see, all natural ingredients. This recipe, I have them on my YouTube channel. I do a lot of video on this one, to be honest, because it's a recipe which is very good for us. I'm gonna take it to the next level this is amazing drink. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and respect every one of you guys who support the Juice Bar. We will keep doing the great work for the rest of the year. A few months to go before the year end, and respect and keep yourself safe and look after yourself at home in this COVID-19. All right, remember, wear your mask. All right guys, stay tuned. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.